Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ultimate Cooking Gallery. Today I am going to prepare vermicelli upma or seviyan upma. Please note down the ingredients. Let us start cooking. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add sliced onions. Here I am using one small onion and cook it till translucent on a low flame. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies, curry leaves, 1 by 4 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 by 4 tablespoon of chana dal and some chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and add 1 cup of water. Add salt and allow it to boil. When it begins to boil, add 1 cup of roasted vermicelli. Here I am using Anil roasted vermicelli and cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. Your seviyan vermicelli or vermicelli upma is ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy the taste. My videos are available on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Please like, share, follow, subscribe and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you.